Some people loved them. Some people, they weren't their favorite. But in our opinion, how can't you like that? 2021 Metan Pelham Bay, what we call special edition. Couple of upgrades is the teak finished in the Metan glass, all grip finish. We have our Plas deck, vinyl teak deck that we really think they do the best when it comes to simulating the real thing. Aft bench seat, RPS featuring the Metan pipe Z legs, all gripped. Hornet Sea trial Saturday and Sunday, and then delivery day. Metan, building boats by making them Metan.